I went and got a package off my porch, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. It is this super fun box, and it is all of our stuff for Scentsy Family Reunion. I want you to join me as I unbox all of my goodies for SFR for this year. Hey guys, my name is Jami Jo, and I have been partnered with Scentsy for over 14 years now, since all the way back in 2008. I found Scentsy while I was teaching in a public school classroom. I fell in love with the products and soon decided to jump on board with a partnership with them. I've been selling and sharing Scentsy products for over 14 years, but also helping hundreds of other consultants find their own personal success with their own partnerships with Scentsy. Guys, I am so excited that SFR is right around the corner. Now, if you have never heard of Scentsy Family Reunion, or what we call SFR, it is our annual convention. And I'm often asked why they call it Scentsy Family Reunion. And there's kind of a two-part answer for that. So the first year that it was called Scentsy Family Reunion, or SFR, it's been quite a few years ago. We actually had two sister companies. We had a purse, handbag, and accessory company called Grace Adele. We also had a fondue and cooking company called Velada. And then, of course, Scentsy's what started it all. So it was three separate companies, but one big conglomerate convention. And so it was our family of products, all three of those product lines, coming together to have our convention. And that's when they first started calling it Scentsy Family Reunion. Now, Grace Adele and Velada have both closed their doors, and we are back to just a single company of Scentsy fragrance like we started out. But we've kept the name SFR and Scentsy Family Reunion because we often feel like our community and our company is a family more than a business. Many of us call our teams family, and my best friends, who some of them are actually closer than my biological family, are a part of my Scentsy community. So I love the fact that we call it Scentsy Family Reunion, because it does feel like a family reunion when we come together on those special times. Now, SFR is always in the summer, and last year it was held in June. I was not able to attend because my oldest son was getting married the same week. So I missed last year's. The years before that, it was canceled because of COVID and everyone was sheltering at home, and we were doing convention virtually for 2 or maybe 3 years. I think it was just 2 years. It was done virtually. So I feel like I have not been to SFR in ages, and I am so excited to go this year. This year it is in Charlotte, and I'm really excited because they started SFR this year the day after my birthday. So I am going a day early to meet up with some friends to celebrate my birthday and then have several days of fun with my Scentsy family. Now, Scentsy does not do anything halfway. Anyone that registered to go to SFR got one of these goodie boxes in the mail, and I am going to unbox it with you guys so we can go through this box and see exactly what is in it. I was really surprised because I saw a package from Scentsy on my porch, and I knew I wasn't expecting any products, and I was thrilled when I opened up the box and saw what was inside. So what a fun, gorgeous box. This is definitely, one of those boxes that as an adult you have to keep. It could be regifted for sure. Okay, so let's see what this first thing in here is. It is our program guide. It is our agenda and all that good stuff. Now, it's going to go through what all is in here, but then it's also going to give us our agenda of all the events that we have to do. It's going to give the layout of the convention center, all that good stuff. Okay, let's see what's next. Ooh, another book. It's so pretty. It's like shiny. It's got reflections is, of course, okay, this is just a notebook to take notes in. So actually, I won't actually use this. I mean, it's a fun little notebook. I'll use it around the house for something, but I like to keep all my notes right together in one notebook. Okay, so first we have name tag. And again, it's got the agenda right on the back, so it's easy to see. It also tells us what days to wear what t-shirts. So you're going to see that. This is just the little plastic thing that it slides down in. So let's go ahead and do that. Ah, goodness, it doesn't want to go down in there. There we go. And then, of course, I have a lanyard in here. Ooh, I like it this year. It's got the logo and theme and everything on it. Oh, this is so fun. So it's one of the lanyards that's two-sided. So many times they get the one that clips right in the middle and then it twists and turns. I'm excited to see that it's a two-sided one. So there's that. And this is all my ribbons. It's really fun to see everyone's ribbons. Let's see what ones I got this year. Lifetime PRV of 100,000. I actually have 3 of those because PRV is personal retail volume. I've sold over $300,000 worth of Scentsy products. I got trip qualifier. That was from my trip to Quebec that I earned. I have a Disney and Scentsy ribbon. Not sure what the requirements were for that, but I got it. Of course, I am a USA consultant, and this is probably the one I'm most proud of. Superstar Director. That is the highest title in the company, and I worked my booty off to get it. This is something they've never done before. We got a scent circle with the logo and everything on there. How fun. Okay, so this is the convention t-shirt. There is one day that they tell everyone to wear this shirt. Looks like I will be needing to do a shrinking job because this is halfway down to my knees. But how cute is that? It's got the location on the back. Fun little sleeve. This might be one that I actually wear again. I'm not really a t-shirt person, but I do love this color. Turquoise is one of my favorite colors. So I do love that. I'm excited about that. And then, so it looks like my box is empty, but I know, because I have other friends who've already done unboxings of this, I know that I lift up that bottom out of there, and there is another t-shirt in there. Now this is fun. I'm excited to see exactly what they do with this. They asked each of us our favorite scent collection or scent style. I chose woods. I love woodsy fragrances. So not sure about this t-shirt. Definitely will never wear it again. But it's going to be fun for whatever activity they have planned for us at SFR with those t-shirts. Yeah, that's humorous to me. Just like the worst color t-shirt ever, the ugliest brown ever with a big bullseye on it. I mean, I realize it's a piece of wood, but it still looks like a bullseye. Okay, so that is everything in my goodie box from Scentsy, but I will get one more shirt when I get to SFR. We are having a big fitness activity with the Fitness Marshal. If you guys have never seen the Fitness Marshal, he is a hoot, and he has his 2 besties coming with him. This will be the 3rd time that the Fitness Marshal has come and done a fitness activity with us, and I will be getting a tank top to wear at that event. So I will pick that up once I get in Charlotte. I am so excited. The countdown is on. We will be there the end of this month. So I promise you that I will be coming to you with some videos from there. Then we are going to get a sneak peek of brand new products that are coming out in the fall and winter catalog. We will get a sneak peek of all the new stuff coming out. So get ready for that the end of this month. And I am going to get ready to make my countdown for me actually leaving and heading on my way to SFR. Guys, I would love, love, love for you to join me next year at SFR. If you already are a Scentsy consultant and you are going to be at SFR and you see me, please come up and say hi. I would love to meet you. If you are not a Scentsy consultant yet, it is not too late. You can jump on board with a partnership at any time. You can do that at JamiJoSellsWax.com. Or if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to text me, 918-888-9690. My name is Jami Jo. I'm here to make your nose happy, and I'm thrilled to show you everything that we will be learning at SFR, so stay tuned.